Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not moving. First, ensure your internet connection is strong and reliable. A weak signal can prevent character movement. Completely close the Roblox application, then reopen it, as this often resolves temporary glitches. You should also check if other online applications or games are working correctly to pinpoint if the issue is specific to Roblox or a broader network problem. These quick steps can frequently restore normal gameplay. A critical step is to power cycle your router and modem. Unplug both devices, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in, allowing them to fully restart. If you are currently on Wi-Fi, consider connecting your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This often provides a more stable connection. Also, check for other devices on your network that might be streaming high-definition video or downloading large files, as this can significantly impact your game's performance. Sometimes, corrupted or old cache files can interfere with Roblox functionality. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try launching the game again. Ensure your Roblox player is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause various performance problems, including movement issues. If the problem continues, attempt to join a completely different game within Roblox. This helps determine if the movement restriction is specific to one game server or a broader client-side issue, affecting all experiences. Outdated graphics drivers can severely impact game performance. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers available for your specific model. Furthermore, close any programs running in the background, like web browsers or other games, as they can consume valuable system resources needed for Roblox to run smoothly. Finally, quickly check if your computer actually meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, such as having at least 4 GB of RAM and a processor made in the last 10 years, to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.